The Straight Talk survey measures your preference for each of the 4 primary communication styles: director, expressor, thinker, and harmonizer. Your total score for each primary style can range from 8 to 40. The higher the number, the more often you display that style of communicating. The Straight Talk system generates an in-depth profile based on your scores. You can click on each of the icons to learn more about the 4 primary styles of communication. At the bottom of the page, you will see the Compare Styles button, which will take you to the Compare Styles page.